Hi, in this video, we will talk about map interface. Okay, so what do you mean by map? We'll discuss in this video. So if you talk about map means it's a separate topic. So under the map, you have so many other maps: hash map, linked hash map, weak hash map, identity hash map, sorted map, hash table, properties, navigable map, tree map. So these are all comes under map interface. So map is the root of all these things. Okay, so we'll talk about this map in this video. So what do you mean by map? To represent a group of objects as key value pairs, then we should go for map. Okay, group of objects as key value pairs. So we need to focus on this word, what is key value pairs. Okay, how it will be, we will see. So both keys and values are objects in a map. So keys and values both are considered as objects in a map. So duplicate keys are not allowed. Okay, duplicate keys are not allowed. Duplicate values are allowed. Each key value pair is called an entry. Okay, so if you have a key value pair, that is called one entry. Okay, in the map. So if you take an example here, okay, so here this is a map. Okay, this is a map. So map will have key value pairs. So these are all keys and these are all values. Okay, for each key you have a respective value. Key value, key value, key value, something like that. And one key value pair, you see that this is which I marked here with the pink color, that is called an entry, one entry, and this is another entry. Okay, so this is another entry, we can see. Okay, so this is one entry, another 3, 4, 5, 6. In this map, I have 6 entries. Okay, we have 6 entries here. So this is called key. First object is called key, and the second object is called value. So these key duplicates not allowed. Okay, duplicates not allowed. But for value, duplicates allowed. Okay, so 1200 should not repeat in this keys, but apple can be more than one. Okay, so this is how a map will work. Okay, this is called key value pair. So key comma value. So this is called an entry. Okay, so we'll see what else there in this. Let me clear this. So methods defined in map interface. What are the methods inside the map? Okay, object put. So in the collections, in our previous videos, we discussed about the collections. In the collections, we use to add an element, we use add method. But here, put method. So inside the put, you see object key, object value. We discussed key value pairs, both are objects, object key, object value. To add a key value pair, this is used to add a key value pair. If the key is already available, then old value will be replaced with the new value and returns old value. So in the previous, like if you try to, how we can take this? Let's take an example. So map m dot put. So 100 comma, I said apple. Okay. So if I try to do the same thing again, 100 comma, so apple, I say banana, something like that. Okay. Then what happens inside the map? So it will search. 100 is there. It's already there. Then it will be replaced with banana. So at last, you'll have only one entry. It will be overwritten by this one. Apple will be replaced with banana if you already have, and it will return the old value. What it will be? Apple. but it will not give you any error. Okay, so that's how it will work. Let me clear this. So the old value will be replaced with the new value and returns old value. Void putAll. So putAll, and you need to, for the map, you can add only map, right? So you will put map object, you will pass map object only to add another map. Get object key to get the specified value associated with the key. With the help of get, you can get the associated value. Remove, to remove an entry which is associated with the key. So the entire entry will be removed according to the key. Okay. So another method is containsKey to verify specified key available in the map. Contains_value to verify specified value available in the map. Is empty to verify map is empty or not. So that is boolean. Int size, get the size of the map, that is integer. Clear to remove all the elements from the map. Okay. So we have some other methods also, like set key set to get all the keys from the map. Okay. So how it will be like, let's assume you have something like 1 banana, 2 apple, 3 mango, something like that. So I want only these keys. Okay. So that is with the help of key set method we can get. But what is the return type of this? Set. Why this is set? So keys should not be duplicate. So set will not allow duplicate values. So because of that, we'll get the only unique values. Because of that, the return type is set. Okay. And we have one more, like collection values, right? We have seen same thing: 1 apple, 2 banana, 3 mango, 4 banana again. Now I want only these values. Okay, values. So for that you'll use values, but the return type is collection. Why collection? Collection allows, means here, duplicate values, right? It allows duplicate values. Because of that, return type is collection. Here it should not allow, the keys are not duplicates, these are unique. So because of that, return type is set. Here there might be a chance of duplicate values. Because of that, the return type is collection. Okay. The another one, set entry set to get entry from the map. So you will get an entry, right? So these are all unique. If you have a duplicate value, but this is different, right? So when you compare to this unique entries, right? These are unique entries. Because of that, again, return type is set to get the entry from the map. Okay. So because of that, this is set, key set, values, collection, entry set, set. Okay. So now, if you move further, so entry is also an interface. So we are saying entry, right? Entry also is a separate interface. So map is group of key value pairs that we already discussed. Each key value pair is called what? Entry, right? So entry is defined inside the map interface. So this entry is defined in the map interface. How it is? So if you see the diagram, you see that interface map, this related information. Then inside the interface, you have another interface called entry. Inside that, we have 3 different methods. So get key, get value, and you can set a value. So get key means you can get the key, and you see that those are objects, right? Key value pairs are objects. So it will return object. Value also object. Set value means you can set a value, means you can update the value, you can change the value. So that is obviously object. Okay. So object get key, object get value, object set value. So these 3 are methods inside this. Okay. So this is all about map interface. Okay, this is key value paste and entry we discussed, and methods, available methods we discussed. So what could be the possible interview questions from here? What is map in Java? What are the different methods available in map? And you can say what is entry in map. Okay, so these are all possible interview questions. So that's all in this video. Thank you.